stop posting videos, at least until after you finish watching this. I wanted to show you one super quick hack that I've been using for the last few weeks, maybe even a month, with your audio. I have always struggled with getting the best audio. I usually use something like this. I have wireless mics, I have wired mics, and for some reason, I always seem to get interference or clicking or something that just messes up my audio, or it sounds like I'm in a staticky, echoey room. I mean, I have sound absorbers and things like that to help with sound, but even outside, there's things with wind and all that that can really hold back the audio. And if you've ever watched a video where the audio is terrible, you can't even watch it. I've had some of my own that I posted and I'm like, it's not that bad.
Looking for a change, if you're looking to start an online business or grow online business.
Later, I went and looked at it and yeah, it wasn't right. So in Capcut, there are a lot of audio features and I played around with every single one of them and I've gotten really good at it. But there is one super easy way to fix it. And I'm going to show you how to do it right now. All right, so here I am in Capcut on the most recent video that I posted. And with this video, I actually did a raw uncut version that I posted. I didn't do any editing besides editing out some dead air just because it was 4 minutes anyways, but I didn't do anything to it. So I went back to it, I pieced it out, I made 4 or 5 new pieces of content, but I added editing. And I'm testing how that edited version is going to do against the original one. So, but what I did was the audio in my original one is just me straight up talking into my phone, no microphones, just the mic on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let me show you. Doesn't sound that bad. As for that magic pill, you need to create some anticipation to find out what the big reveal is going to be at the end. Okay, so that was straight up with my iPhone, and it sounded pretty good. It wasn't bad by any means. There wasn't any interference or clicking or any other problems that I've had. And it was pretty good. But let me show you exactly what we're going to do. What I've done is I have muted all the other sound except my voice, my original voice. What I'm going to do is go up into export. And I am going to pick audio because I'm just exporting the audio. If you didn't know, you can also create GIFs. Like I have some of my effects that I have, my special effects that I have that I've narrowed in on that and I've created a GIF, like a 3-second movie. So can also do just your captions. If you wanted to extract the written word, a script, out of your video, you can do that with captions and it will create a text file for you that has every written word in there. So you can use that for your written post, for your captions or whatever. So another good tip for you. So what I'm going to do is audio on MP3 and I'm going to export that. Goes pretty quick. Once I get that, I'm going to open the folder. All right, and I have that right here. Now I am going to drop that. Just going to drag it and I'm going to drop it right into this box here. Now this is Enhance by Adobe and it is a free service. You can do up to 3 files per day. So even if you're posting 3 videos a day, you're good. You can do this. If you need to batch content, then you'll have to pick some other days to do it. But once you upload it, it takes a few seconds, a minute, and then you'll either get an email or I just hang out here and I wait because it doesn't take that long. So once you get here, it shows, you could upgrade and all that, but the free service, you get 3 videos each day. So I'm just dragging that here, drop it, and it does its thing. Basically, while that's working, you see you can get it free for 30 days, other tools, but it does utilize AI. It takes out any of the background noise, uh, any of the clicks, and you can, on the paid version, you can set it to take out any of the dead space and ums and ahs and all that too. But CapCut can do that. So it's already done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to download, and I'm going to download it into my project folder. And that is done. Back in CapCut, I can click OK here. Then I go over into my import. And you can see the file here says enhanced. So before it went through right here, videos.mp3, now it says enhanced.wav. So I'm going to click that and hit import. Puts it right into our project. And I've already done that with this one because I did that edit. So now I'm going to show you the before and after. This again is just straight up audio. As for that magic pill, you need to create some anticipation to find out what the big reveal is going to be at the end. Okay. Now I'm just going to mute that track and unmute my enhanced track. And this is the new and improved. As for that magic pill, you need to create some anticipation to find out what the big reveal is going to be at the end. You can hear it's cleaner, crisper, and it just overall sounds like it was recorded in a studio. So I wanted to share this. It's a very quick, easy upgrade that I do with every video that I have. As long as I'm available and I'm here, you can use it on mobile as well. So I'm going to be